For the pizza dough, you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4½ cups of all-purpose flour, plus some additional for dusting, and 2 teaspoons of rapid rise yeast. For the pizza, you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 to 4 slices of fresh mozzarella, 3 to 4 slices of a large tomato, a small handful of fresh basil, some Italian herb seasoning, and reduced balsamic vinegar for glaze. First, put your yeast into a large mixing bowl. Then you'll need 1 3/4 cups of lukewarm water, then you'll add your flour, salt, and olive oil and mix it well until flour is incorporated and dough forms for about 5 minutes. Put the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it until it looks smooth for about 3 minutes. You'll then want to cut the dough into 4 equal pieces and seal individually in a Ziploc bag. Refrigerate for several hours or even better, overnight. After the dough has chilled and you take it out and leave it to sit, preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Then roll or stretch the dough out and place on parchment paper. After you've spread out the dough, add your sauce, fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, Italian herb, and drizzle with olive oil. Repeat this with all 4 pizzas. Once toppings are done, you can put in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, take it out, let it cool, and then slice and enjoy.